Thanks, Lance. Welcome, everybody. I'm glad to have you here today. I'm going to show you the great and technical services that we have to offer here at ATRA. My name is Robert. I'm the Technical Services and Program Manager here, and I'm here to assist you in any needs that you may have regarding our technical services and training. One of the great things that we have is our Technical Support Center, and that's where I'm going to start now. So if you log in and you go to our Technical Support Center, you'll log straight in and you'll be able to see multiple different facets and tools that we have available to you. And I'm going to walk through a couple of our quick things here. First is how to look up something and how to search for items that we may have available to you. Basically, if you're looking to find some information, you can do a generalized search. Say you're looking for information on a 6L80 valve body issue that you may be having. You can type it in here and be able to search directly for it. And it's going to come up with multiple different things regarding the 8L90 and the word valve body that we may have available to it. Now, the search in here isn't specific, but the more information you put in, the more it'll drill down. It's based upon keywords that are listed inside of an article, bulletin, or even some seminar pieces that are there. So if you'd like to access some of this information, you do the search and you can click on this. And here comes the bulletin. Now it's searched through all of this information. So it's talking about clutch. This one's talking about clutch ball locations. And you can see that there's also charts and flows and things that are in here for you to be able to search. As you navigate also through, you might come across seminar materials that are from previous, or you might come across, different items along the way. Now this search is very broad, so it's not going to come up with something specifically that you're looking for, but it is here to give you information. We also have things that will link you over to our Gears Magazine website and allow you to search and view articles that are related to these topics. Now, the other thing that you're looking for here while you're in is that you can do a year, make, and model lookup. This is great if you're looking for something specific to a year, make, and model, and you're unsure of what transmission type it might be, but it also does a great thing of looking up information for you. As you can see, I've got a 2011 Chrysler 300, a base model, and you can click Find Transmission. And when you click on that, it brings up anything regarding the NAG1 or the 722.6 might be part of that transmission type based upon a different name. So as you can see here, there's all sorts of different pieces. There's our ATRA technical bulletins, which information that shows up here. You will see things like our seminar pieces. You will see things like Gears Magazine articles and such and so forth. This is a great tool to have when you're looking up at more and more information. Now, also in here, you'll find that the most recent bulletins and articles are located here. Every month, we post in new bulletins, and we also group them in by the month. So say you ever see November bulletins just like this, you'll see the latest 4 here for you. And you'll be able to click on them and open them. We also post articles and things like that in this place. Now, let's say, okay, Robert, I have a problem with this vehicle and I need some help. Well, and I don't want to contact the technical hotline and call in, but I'd rather submit a ticket. Well, you can do that here very easily. You can submit a ticket, and we're just going to put some information here and, fill this out. And I'm just going to make some stuff up while we're going. And some of these things you don't have to fill out. These dots are very important though, because that helps. That's what you have to have. And you put this information in. And if you have a file that you'd like to attach, you can attach that here, put in your phone number, and put in a description. Now, as this is submitted, what'll happen here is you'll submit a ticket, and it's already submitted. In the ticket history, your ticket will show up, and it'll show up in progress. Now, as our technicians reach out and they contact you either via phone or they respond to your ticket, there will also be more information. Now, if you want to go into your ticket and add more information after that, say you need additional help, that additional information can go here. And you can say let's say you need a wiring diagram. Okay. And you can enter that information. If you have more information, you can submit it there. And you hit submit, and it comes through. So what'll happen is this information will be passed along to the technician as well. And they'll see the response and they'll add more information if you need. Or you can always put in a new ticket. Now, let's say you finally received all the information. You can either close a support ticket or you can cancel it. If you were to hit close, we just want to know what kind of solved the problem. And then you can hit submit. Or if you found the information, that's a great way to let us know that, hey, you found the fix, because sometimes that information is very helpful that we want to pass along as well. You can also cancel your support ticket by clicking that button and say submit, and it'll cancel the ticket and close it out. Now, the only reason why I did that is so it closes it out. Now, here's the response time for this. When you put in a ticket, it generates an email and gets sent off to ATRA. After it gets to us, we take and process that ticket to a technician that it will be able to properly answer and support you as you requested. Then what happens is that as soon as able, the ticket you'll be get a call back from a technician if needed. If it's something like, hey, I just need a flow chart, please email it, and you put that in there, we'll go ahead and email it, put the note in the ticket, and close the file for you. We want to make sure we assist you in a timely manner, but tickets can technically take roughly about 2 hours, just depending upon, having to research, respond, and the vol volume of the day on the tech hotline. If you happen to need a response and you need it quicker, it is always better to contact the technical hotline at 877-287-2832. Now, the hours of operation for our tech hotline is 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., closed from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is available to you. And after 5 p.m. Eastern Time or 4 p.m. Central, you're going to want to take and call in. You're going to get a faster response if you need something that day. So all of this information is here. It's available to you. This is a great site. I recommend using this to go ahead and search, add, and request assistance. Now, also in your support page, you will find that there's also Mitchell here. Now, Mitchell DIY program, this is here for your usage, okay? What you can do is if you want to get into the Mitchell program, you request a Mitchell activation number. Now, you request that through putting a support ticket or calling ATRA's tech hotline and requesting one as well. And we will email you the activation number via email. The numbers and letters get to be about 12 characters long, so it's much easier for us to email it, so that way then you have that. And then what you do is once you have that, you can click on the link here. It'll take you over to Mitchell, and you can take and do a vehicle selection. Once you select the vehicle here, and you get through the make and model, and you get to the end. So let's just give an example. Let's take a 24 Audi Quattro, and you say use this vehicle. You'll come over here and click the code, and you'll put the activation code here, hit apply, and continue to check out. Once that's done, you should be all set. So again, that's how you use Mitchell, and you can request the codes directly from us. Okay, so this is the services that ATRA has to offer within the tech site. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at another site that we have available to you. And we're going to come back over here to the member site. And our next site that we have available to you is our community forum. Now, our community forum is a great thing to have and a great tool for you to have as well. Now, because I'm an admin, it's going to look a little different. So I'm going to come in here like I'm you. So as you join ATRA, you'll get added into this community forum. You might have to accept some terms and conditions, but you'll get in here and you'll see that there's lots of posts. There's lots of information that's been added, and you can ask questions. You can post a question and post a message and ask for help and things like that. Just as an example, this person asked about a K313 CVT, and there were 6 replies, and you can continue this discussion. It works a lot like a Facebook page, but everybody will get a community digest email that will kind of talk about what's going on in there. Now, the great thing about this is we have a new community that we've created, and that's our technical hotline. And as you're in our technical hotline, this is our library that is here. Now, we have over 9,000 items added into the library. You also have access to this search engine that's here that's called Techie. Now, this is an AI search. This is new and something that we've been improving on as every day happens. And you can search for things. So let's say you're looking for a 6L80. Let's see here, valve body rebuild procedures. Now, you can put this in just like this, but you want to have a conversation. So this is an AI, again, this is an AI search. So I've kind of given it some parameters. I'm being very vague. So remember that as you work with AI, it doesn't always bring back the information that exactly the way you want it. So as it brings back resources, so it didn't have exact resources. Okay, so let's try this. So let's go 6L80. Let's just type in valve body. Okay, so now it's going to go in and then it's going to look for more. It's going to look again and it's going to take it and narrow it down a little bit. But also you can see up here that if you didn't find what you're looking for, you can ask a fellow human. So you can always click here and ask fellow humans. Now, this is 6L80 valve body rebuild procedures, preparation, transmission disassembly, and all sorts of stuff. Now, it gives you some bare basics. And then over here, it has sources, 6L80 rebuild reference manual. So if you click on this, it's going to open up a file, and this is one of the files from that area. So it's talking about valve body disassembly and assembly. So there you go. This is the information you might have been looking for. That is available to you. So this system is a really fantastic tool to use to be able to look for something. But if you can't find something, you can always hit ask your fellow humans. And what it's going to do is you're going to be able to create a post. Now, because I'm logged in and I'm acting as a member, I'm not going to do that, but it's there and it's available to you. If you ever find yourself stuck and you need help, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. So this site in the community forum is a fantastic tool, not just for the AI search, but connecting up with your fellow members and fellow shop owners. The technical hotline is one community. The other community is our all members community. So members are able to have discussions in here. Sometimes it is about technical information, and sometimes it's just, hey, what do you do about this? So there's going to be other forums that are going to be created over time. So please join any new ones that you might see that might be a benefit to you. Okay, so at this time, I'd like to discuss the ATRA Golden Rule Warranty Program. This might be something for those of you that are rebuilder members to know about. The best part about this warranty program is everything's online. You can access all the files that you need, submit new warranties, and collect them as you go. So the Golden Rule Warranty is located here in this section. As you can see, there's the info. And let's go through that first before I talk about how to issue a warranty and the processes for these. We have some basic information up here regarding the warranty program, how it's $90 an hour for cars and light trucks and $100 for Class A and C motorhomes, or 80% of the retail rate in U.S. funds. All ATRA Golden Rule warranty pricing is determined by our board of directors, and it's in our bylaws as well. We have an estimator worksheet, and that is really an important thing. And you'll want to make sure that you read this information and discuss those things as well as you learn about this program. If you ever have any questions regarding the Golden Rule warranty, you can feel free to reach out to me directly at 805-604-2027, or you can call the mainline number of 805-604-2000, and somebody there would be able to assist you as well. So the ATRA Golden Rule warranty has multiple pieces of information. We have qualified remanufacturers, so you can issue a warranty a Golden Rule warranty that covers really the labor of the job. If you install one of these transmissions from these qualified remanufacturers. So our procedures are here. If you click on this, it's going to give you step-by-step instructions, how you verify that the warranty is valid if a customer comes in and they need assistance that's from another shop. You also want to make sure that the shop that is sending the customer in, that their membership is current, which you can do on the atra.com website and utilize the shop finder. Just punch in the zip code for the shop, and you'll see if they're listed there or not. But you can also call us, and we will take a look to make sure that the warranty is valid. You also want to contact the original shop, or you can call ATRA as well. We just want to make sure that the communication that's happening between both shop is everybody has the same understanding. We'll diagnose, get authorization, repair the vehicle, report back to the original shop, and payment will happen, and you'll deliver the vehicle. Then as a repairing shop, you have to follow the standards and cover the warranty for a 90-day period just to verify that everything's. Now, to issue a Golden Rule warranty, it's very simple. The instructions are here, but let me walk you through that. To issue a Golden Rule warranty, you can come here and say issue Golden Rule warranty. And Golden Rule warranty basically requires credits. You'll have your shop name listed here. You'll select the date of issue and put in the repair order number, and then fill out the customer details, plus the license plate and a few other information. And as you get down here to the bottom, as you filled all this, here are the 4 warranties that you can issue. 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, or 20 kilometers, 2-year 24, a 3-year 50, or a 3-year 100. And then you'll select whether or not it was one of our requalified manufacturers or an in-house warranty. You click agree and hit submit, and then your screen will pop up with a warranty tracking number. To access the warranties and any other downloads that you may have from ATRA, you can click on your name up here at the top, click downloads, and then down here, you can see that there's marketplace items that are PDF purchases, or there's warranties that are here. And you can go ahead and click on this. It'll download the warranty for you, just as an example. And as you can see, there's information here. The date of issue was 7/27 of 23. And you can see that it's an in-house rebuild. It has the work order number and all the information. And then there's also the second side, which talks about maintaining the warranty and all the processes. It is recommended that you make sure that your customer is aware of how the process is supposed to work in case they have issues at time of service. And then that way, then they also know what their responsibilities are and what is not covered. So basically, a lot of times customers call in and they'll want to get reimbursed for towing. Well, towing is not covered on this. Incidentals are not covered on this. All that's covered on this warranty is parts and labor. And this is here to help you as a shop basically explain that to them. So it's always recommended that you have your consumer read this. This file will always stay on your account. And I always recommend printing a copy, though, to have a paper copy for yourself and one for the customer. You'll want to have a sign here and the customer to sign here as well. That way, then, if they lose it, then you have a backup copy of it as well. So as you continue through the Golden Rule warranty information, that's how to issue one. It talks about the pricing here and the credits. Well, the credits are there because we want to make sure that, as you're putting these things in, credits don't cost anything at this time. We were trying to do a new program, and we decided that, rebuilder members at this point in time really shouldn't pay for their warranties because they're providing a service to their customers. But you do have to add credits in there, and that's very simple to do. You can even call us and we'll put credits on your account. Let's continue to go over more of the warranty information. All your forms are here. That's the step-by-step instructions. This is the estimator worksheet. This worksheet basically guarantees payment and also guarantees the shops are talking back and forth. If there is a problem and you reach out to us, we're going to ask you, have you guys done the estimator worksheet first? This states things very clearly and talks about that process and also talks about remanufactured transmission replacements. There is the minimum rebuild standards that are here that is talked about. You can go ahead and read through this. This is something that I always recommend following. And there's also the local limited warranty. This is a warranty that you can use inside your shop that already has all the wording in it for you as a in-shop only warranty. So feel free to print these off, use them as you like. This is here for your benefit. You can view your warranty forms. It's the same way as getting to the downloads. Issue a Golden Rule warranty. And then the Golden Rule warranty transfer form is really important as well. If your shop is going to be closing or you're selling your shop, you need to have a plan that's put in place for anybody that still has an outstanding warranty. And you'll want to fill this stuff out and send this in to us so we can take care of you. We put these notes on your account. So if a customer calls in and says, hey, I'm from A1 Automatic Action Transmission, and I have a warranty, my customer, I'm a customer and I can't seem to locate them or get some help, then we refer them to this information. And this form is really important because what it does is it says who you were, who's going to take over the warranties, and an authorization from both shops. You can also contact us with this information, and we'll add that to the account as well. All right, well, thank you very much, and I'm glad that you're here. If you have any questions, again, on Golden Rule warranties, feel free to email us. You can email us at grw@atra.com. That will go to a couple of people. Or you can reach out to myself, and I will be glad to assist you at any time. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.
Okay, welcome back. Now for an in-depth detail on our membership department and what our membership services have to offer, I'm going to introduce you to Jennifer Ornelas. Jennifer is going to talk a little bit about our memberships. So if we want to click on our members tab here, membership types, chart of benefits, member services, chapters, which we already talked a little bit about, hosted websites, resources, certifications, member logo usage, and hosted website support. So Jennifer, let's leave this up to you. Come on in.